Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Val-David is a charming village in the Laurentian mountains of Quebec. Nestled along the North River, Val-David is known for its natural beauty, vibrant art scene, and incredible outdoor activities. Val-David's story began in 1849, when settlers first arrived in this rugged, forested region. It wasn't easy, they called it the land of rocks, but they persevered, relying on farming and forestry. By the late 19th century, the arrival of the railway changed everything, connecting Val-David to Montreal and helping it grow. In 1921, the village became a parish known as Saint Jean-Baptiste de Belle, but it was renamed Val-David in 1944. Over the years, Val-David transitioned from a small farming community to a hub for tourism and creativity. The Laurentians provide the perfect backdrop for adventure. Val-David sits at an elevation averaging 400 meters, surrounded by peaks that rise to over 500 meters. Its rugged terrain makes it a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Val-David is the birthplace of rock climbing in eastern Canada. With over 900 climbing routes across its famous granite cliffs, it's a mecca for climbers. In the winter, the trails attract skiers from all over. The summer offers hiking, cycling, and breathtaking views of the region. Today, Val-David is a blend of history, culture, and outdoor adventure. Whether you're visiting for the rock climbing, the art, or simply to soak in the natural beauty, this village has something for everyone.
watching!